to the club. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be on my new studio slash filming area, whatever you want to call it. Our old apartment was a 1-bedroom. So I made that video on how to utilize small spaces for content creating. And now we have a 2-bedroom, and my boyfriend was sweet enough to let me have this room for my filming. So I'm super grateful for that, because he works from home and he definitely could have made this his office, but he's letting me have this be my filming area. So this is like another push to get me to film more. And yeah, so I'm super excited. Let me show you guys the room. Okay, so when you first come in, I know I have like Tupperware right there, but I'm still unpacking kind of. So this is the room. This is my little setup. I still have my ring light. It's still basically the same setup, but it's my own little space. I have more room. I have my little, what do you call that? Not a closet, but coat rack here. I don't know what to call it. I just got this today. I just wanted to kind of fill the space right here, and I wanted to put my Lori wigs on top of there. I want this picture to go up here, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but I'm not sure yet. But I have my plant here still, my big ass 7-foot plant. And I have my wig here. Hey girl. Nice big window, and then there's a mirror there, and yada yada yada. So, and there's also a closet. So this is my filming area. I am super grateful to have my own space, because you know, when you're filming, my YouTubers know it, you know, you got to cancel out noise, and you just don't get to really tune in when there's other people around in the same room as you while you're filming. So I definitely appreciate having my own space. Super grateful for that. Hey y'all. So yeah, I actually got some lights for my little setup. My cousins, actually, the triplets, they gave me a set of lights to use, and they were working perfectly fine. Nothing's wrong with them or anything, but I wanted a brighter light. I feel like this is very well lit, but my background isn't, and I want my background to be nice and bright. So we're gonna do an unboxing of my new lights. They are by the brand Neewer, which is the same brand I got my ring light from. My ring light is amazing, as you can tell. I mean, like, the light is perfect. But I just want my background to be a little bit more brighter, especially because it's gray in here. Like, I want a little bit more light. So I ordered 2 panels of the lights. I will link them down below. I don't know the correct term for them. I think they're called like panel lights. But I will link everything down below so you guys can grab them yourselves if you're interested. So let's get the unboxing. Okay, y'all. So first of all, the packaging is not the best. It's a little tore up, but you know what? I have faith that none of my lights are messed up. I think that God is with me. I think that he knows I will go off if they are messed up. Okay, so that big box was just like a protector for this box. I really hope my address wasn't on there. But anyways, yeah, so this is the box. It says Neewer. It's fucking heavy. I'm gonna open it really quick and we're gonna get the setting up. Okay, so the lights are actually in here. A little concerned because I thought that they were bigger than this, but I could be wrong. But it is a nice carrying case. I do like that. This is what you get inside of the packaging. Let's dissect a little bit. Okay, I'm pretty sure these are the poles, right? Pole for each one because it's a set of 2. Oh God. Is this stuff you have to put together? Okay. Charger. I mean, not charger, portal. Ooh, a remote. Cool, a remote. So we got a charger, or not a charger, a power cord. Looks like the neck of one of them. And the remote, another neck, another power cord for the other one, and another cable cord. Okay, so the lights are actually inside of here. Okay, that did nothing. So these are the lights. That's what they look like. They're like panel. That's how big they are. I was soaking my nails in acetone. That's why my nails look like this. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see a little bit better of what I'm doing. Okay, so these are a tripod, if you will. I'm pretty good at putting stuff together, so this shouldn't take me too long. And no, I don't look at directions, like none of that. Okay. So I'm pretty sure that's how that goes. And then this is like nothing to me, yo. Hold on, wait a minute. Yeah, I'm pretty fucking good at this shit. Okay, so that's one light already put together. I just have to plug in the power cord. I'm not gonna turn them on until they're both put together and set up how I want them, because I want the full effect. I don't want to be like, that's not bright enough, and then really the other one makes it perfect. Like a scissor, love galore. She never bored. There's so much shit we can do. You're free to say whatever, baby, if you asking me. No limit when I'm in it, got a masterpiece. I'm hoping I don't have a fast release. Got me focused like I'm out here trying to get my master seat. Throwing out the peace sign. Girl, I'm from the east side. Girl, you on my best side. Said she from the west side. Now I just wanna know, don't you sugarcoat? I say it all if you want. Could you tell me like it is? Okay. So, unplug that light. Whoops. I'm like, where's the other light? Right here. And I'm gonna plug that one in. Now it comes with a remote. I don't know if it needs batteries. Let's see. It looks like it. AA. Which is really cool, but I don't have any batteries, so we're not going to be using that. I'm going to go ahead and put these up a little bit. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I have one light set up here, and then I have the other one right there. So we will fire her up and see what it do. Is that it? Are you kidding me? This is about to piss me off. Okay. So these are the lights on. I guess it lights up the room okay. I just thought it was gonna be brighter. That ring light is way brighter to me. So I'm gonna take you guys off the tripod really quick. Okay, so I guess, I don't know if I'm being picky or like if I'm being, does this look better? Does this light look better? Does the background look lighter? Like, I feel like it doesn't. Is that better? Like, I don't know. I'm gonna have to fool with it some more, but yeah, I think I like this. To be honest, I really can't see, so that looks pretty good. I'm gonna have to fool around with it, but I think I kind of like it like this. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below, or DMs, messages, you know. Let me know what y'all think. Is this better or is this a waste of money? Because I'm starting to feel like it's a waste of money. I just have to figure out my filming situation, so we will see. Everything is a work in progress. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.